is number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. Okay. Next, Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What were the topics we had done in the previous class? Just tell me from your register.
Ma'am, we have done some questions on molarity and some on molality.
Okay. What is molality?
Ma'am, it is the number of moles in solute upon mass in kg.
Mass of what? Solute or solvent?
Mass of solvent.
Done the questions yet.
You just show me your copy. I want to see your copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Who has joined just now?
Ma'am, Kunjal.
Kunjal. But please join on time always, okay? Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, I'm on a laptop, so I'm joining from the device. I'm phone.
Okay, okay. So just send me the work done on the WhatsApp afterwards. Last few pages, okay? I hope you are making a proper copy.
Yes, ma'am, I'm making.
Just make a small video of copy turning the pages and just send it to me.
Sure, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. By 1 o'clock, try to send it. Arav Grewal, are you attending the classes regularly? Arav Grewal?
No, ma'am.
Why no? Arav, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are not attending? Because yesterday me and Aruni ma'am was discussing about two students. One was you. Now can you tell me why you are not attending the classes regularly? और बेटा हर बात पे म्यूट क्यों कर देते हो अपने आप को? Keep yourself unmuted till my conversation with you is over. Arav.
Okay, ma'am.
Now tell me why you are not attending the classes regularly. अब आवाज आने ही बंद हो गई. Okay, send me on the chat.
Okay.
Okay, one of them is okay. So now I am starting with the topics done.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, due to some reason, I was not able to upload my file on the drive. Because of that, I was not able to upload the file on the Teams.
What's your name?
Ma'am, Ishwarya.
Ashwarya. Just try it again because I have even opened it for those students who have joined late. So just try it again because ultimately, see, when we are given the papers, you have to upload it on the Teams only. Okay? So just try again. Any problem, then tell me. Okay, so today I will be checking at around 8 p.m. So work of all of you should be uploaded. So I will be grading you by your work. So today I will put the grades at around after 8 p.m.
Ma'am, can you tell which work?
Assignments that are uploaded in the Teams. There are two assignments which are uploaded in the Teams. Those students who have joined just 1 week before, to them I can give a concession. Otherwise, all the other students, they have to upload.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
First assignment is labeled as the NCERT question. Ma'am, it has ma'am दो बार डाल दिया था उसको, तो हम एक बार हमने अपलोड कर दिया, हम दूसरी बार भी कर देंगे. लाइक चीज आपने 2 बार डाल दी थी वहाँ पे. असाइनमेंट 1.
Yes, ma'am.
आप तो रिमूव कर, मैंने 2 बार डाल दिया है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, कितनी असाइनमेंट? 2 असाइनमेंट डाली है ना?
मैम ओरिजिनली आपने मतलब पहली असाइनमेंट को 2 बार डाल दिया था
और फिर सेकंड असाइनमेंट एक बार है.
एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन वाली.
Yes.
हाँ मैम, वो तो एक बार थी, वो अपलोड हो गई. हाँ मैम.
ठीक है, तो मैं फर्स्ट में जिसमें दोनों का देख लूंगी, उसके बेसिस पे आई विल मेक अ लिस्ट. डोंट वरी. ठीक है?
Ma'am, you
आपको
sent
first,
some practice questions yesterday. No, ma'am, in the last class. Ma'am, so I
yes,
didn't understand the first question. Can you discuss it,
first
please?
question. First question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today, basically, we are winding up the chapter only because the topics are already being covered along with the numerical. So whatever are your doubts or extra questions, that only I will be covering. And from tomorrow, I will be starting the next chapter, that is a structure of atoms. Okay. From tomorrow, I will be starting the next chapter, or whenever is the class. I think it's on Wednesday. And one day, when should I take a small test from the chapter 1? Wednesday only?
Ma'am, your class is on Tuesday.
Okay, whenever is the class? Okay, Tuesday is the class. So whenever is the class, when should I take a small test? Just tell me the time for the test. Thursday should I take? Okay, so on Thursday, get prepared for a test from the chapter 1.
Ma'am, it will be taken during the class.
And that I will inform. हो सकता है क्लास 10 मिनट एक्सटेंड कर लूं, half in class, half extra. I will inform you.
Okay, ma'am.
Start preparing. Okay. You want question first, and that is what is the mass percent of the solute in the solution? That question.
No, ma'am. Calculate the molality of 1 liter solution of 93%.
So let me check from where I gave the questions. Okay, calculate the molality of 1 liter solution of 93% sulfuric acid, and you are given the density. What we have to calculate is molality. Volume of the solution is given as 1 liter. It is 93% weight by volume, means W by V. And we are given the density of solution, which is equal to 1.84 grams per ml. Okay. Now, what is given as the volume of solution? 93% means 93 gram of solute in 100 gram of solution. This is the meaning of 93%. Okay. Now, what we are, this is the solution. So, what is the density, or what you will make use of? What is density now?
Ma'am, shouldn't it be 100 ml of solution?
Okay, 100 ml by volume, yes, 100 ml. Now, what is density of solution? Means
Mass upon volume.
Upon volume of solution. Okay. Now, what we are given is density. Density is 1.84. Now, mass of the solution. What is the mass of the solution? We have to calculate. Now, what is the volume of the solution? 1 liter. Okay, density is in grams per ml. So, 1 liter means 1000 ml. So, what is the mass of solution?
1840 ml. 1840 grams.
1840 grams. Now, what is the volume of the solution? Okay. Now, in our question, what we have to calculate is molality. What is molality? Number of moles of solute upon
Of
mass
solute upon mass of solvent in grams.
Mass of solvent in grams. Now, what we should do? Now, what is the number of moles of solute? Mass of solute means 93 upon molecular mass. Number of moles means mass in grams, given mass upon molecular mass. Now, what is the molecular mass of sulfuric acid?
98.
98. Okay. Divided by mass of the solvent. Now what we know is the mass of solution and what we know is the mass of solute. So if I am subtracting these two, mass of solution minus solute,
110 gram.
ठीक है, ये हो गया 93 upon 98 into 1743. 1747. अच्छा ये आपका है ये आपका किलोग्राम्स में आता है, बट दिस इज इन ग्राम. So to convert, we are dividing, multiplying it by 1000. Now find out the answer. Is it okay? Yes or no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one or two more questions I am taking.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in 1000 ml of solution, ma'am, the number of solute will be 930 gram.
Pardon, 1 minute. Calculate the 93% solution की density है 1.984 grams per ml. दोबारा बोलो बेटा, what you want to say?
Ma'am, in 1000 ml of solution, the number of solute should be 930 gram, no?
See, what we have taken, we are not taking in ml. What we have taken at 93 gram is present in 100 ml of solution. This is the meaning of density. Okay. So now, okay. Yes, just wait. It is in 100 ml of solution. तो density actually आपको यहाँ पर 100 लेना पड़ेगा. This is what you are saying now. So what we have to take is 100. So this is 184. Because volume of the solution we are given density means mass of the solution upon volume. So 93 gram if I am taking is the mass, then the volume of the solution is 100 ml. So this will be 184. Is it okay now? So it will be, if I am subtracting these two, what I am getting is 91. Is it okay?
Ma'am, but the volume of the solution in question is given 1 liter.
1 liter.
That is
See,
measurement.
हमने जब जो मोलालिटी हमें निकालनी है वो हमें 1 लीटर सॉल्यूशन की निकालनी है. मोलालिटी वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट फॉर 1 लीटर. तो मोलालिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? मोलालिटी की जो यूनिट होती है ना, दैट मतलब इट मींस टोटल सॉल्यूशन हमारा 1 लीटर है, लेकिन जब हमने डेंसिटी को यूज किया तो डेंसिटी होता है नंबर ऑफ मोल्स अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. तो जब हम नंबर ऑफ ये ले रहे 93 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्यूट इन 100 ml ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, तो इट मींस दैट जो आपको मोलालिटी है वो 1 लीटर के हिसाब से निकालनी है, लेकिन जो आपका मास ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन है, क्योंकि जब हम सॉल्यूट है तो 93 ग्राम ले रहे हैं, देन द मास ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन इज 100 ml. So whenever if I am taking 93 gram, then the mass of the solution should be 100 ml. So 1 liter is just given to confuse us. Okay.
Ma'am, but we are told to find the molality in 1 liter of 1 liter solution.
मोलालिटी जो होती है आपकी, मोलालिटी की तो यूनिट में लीटर होता ही नहीं ना. मोलालिटी क्या होता है? मास ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to neglect 1 liter. And just check the answer by this method, the one I have done just now. The answer is, see, let's check is roughly 91 and 93 almost divisible, 10, 100. Answer is approximately 10 ml, 10 molar, 10 point something aega. In the book also this is the answer.
10.42.
10.41.
10.4. Okay, I am simply writing 10.4. Okay, so this is the answer given in the book. So 1 liter is simply given to confuse us. Okay. और एक्चुअली मैं भी स्टार्टिंग में कंफ्यूज हो गई थी. आई हैव टेकन इट एज 1 लीटर ओनली, बट व्हेनेवर बिकॉज वी आर गिवन 93%, तो आई हैव टू टेक इट लाइक दिस, 93 ग्राम इन 100 ml ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. सो वॉल्यूम आई हैव टू टेक 100 ml. Okay. Now I am taking one or two more questions. Like some of you were saying, ma'am, take question based on this formula. M1 V1.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes,
can you please explain the fourth part?
please explain which part.
And the fourth question.
Can you read out the question?
Calculate the mole fraction of ethanol and water in a sample of rectified spirit, which contains 95% of ethanol by weight.
Okay. In this question, first you know that it contains 95% ethanol by weight. So what is the meaning of this? Has anyone done this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me how you have done.
Ma'am, ethanol is 95 gram of solute in 100 ml of solution, and H2O is 5 gram.
Mass of ethanol is 95 gram, mass of water is 5 grams. Okay. Because if ethanol is 5%, then mass of water is 5 grams. Then further,
Ma'am, I found the number of solute of ethanol and H2O.
so what is this 5 quantities? Number of moles of ethanol will be equal to, what is the mass of ethanol?
46.
46. Let's solve it. What it will be 0.2. Tell me the next.
Ma'am, 2.06.
Why it is 2 point? It is 0.26. Yes or no?
Yes,
Mass
ma'am.
in grams for molecular mass, so it is 0.26. What about this one? This is 2.098.
598.
Now, how to calculate the mole fraction of ethanol? Number of moles of ethanol upon total number of moles. Total number of moles is 2.098 plus 0.26. So you can calculate. Okay, just find out the answer. Yes, can you find out the answer just by dividing it?
0.89.
Okay, so number of moles of water will be 1 minus 0.889 है 88 है चेक कर लो मेरे ख्याल से राउंड अप करके 88 आ जाएगा
889 था 0.889 तो मैंने 89 बता दिया
89 take it as 0.9. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt? Okay. So now I am taking the practice questions only, some from NCERT, and one question I am simply taking on this formula M1 V1. But this actually is not in the syllabus. But since you are asking, so you were asking, so I am taking it. It means if you are mixing two solutions, and we are getting a third solution, then this is the formula. Okay. Now suppose my question is calculate the, and what is V3? V3 actually is nothing but it is the sum. Because suppose I am taking 10 ml of one solution and 20 ml of another. Total volume will be 30 ml. So V3 is nothing but it is V1 plus V2. So my question is calculate molarity of first part 100 ml of 0.2 molar H2SO4 and 50 ml of 0.1 molar HCl. Okay. So how to do it? What is M1?
0.2.
0.2 into 100. This is M1 E1 plus M2 into V2. M2 is 0.1. HCl for HCl I am taking into 50 is equal to M3. Now what is V3? Total volume. What is the total volume? 150.
150.
Again, 100 plus 50. So it means M3 is equal to 0.2 into 100 means 20 plus 5 upon 150. Find the answer. Okay, now just about the unit. Okay, वॉल्यूम सब में हमारा ml में है. देखो ये भी ml में लिया है, ये भी ml में लिया है, ये भी ml में लिया है. तो unit of the volume is okay. Now what is the answer?
From 0.16.
Okay. So I am taking very simple question based on this normality. बिल्कुल end में लोगी. Okay. Now I am going to take few NCERT questions. Particularly the last one. And by this week, try to complete all the NCERT questions, or I will send in the group which questions to do. Okay, so I am starting from these questions. Question number 1.34, then 3.5 and 3.6. I should write up this, just note it down. Question number 1.34. What we are given is a welding gas. You can open your NCERT book, see the question. A welding gas contains carbon and hydrogen only. It means welding gas, it consists of only two elements, that is carbon and hydrogen. Now burning a small sample of the welding gas in oxygen. Burning a small sample of welding gas in oxygen, what we are getting is carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide is 3.38 gram of carbon dioxide and water is 0.69 gram. I am again repeating the question. A welding gas contains, if you want, you can write the question or just see the NCERT. A welding gas contains carbon and hydrogen only. Burning a small sample of it in oxygen gives 3.38 carbon dioxide and 0.69 gram of water and no other products. It means only we are getting is carbon dioxide and water. Next point, I am just writing the question in a small, concise way. A volume of 10 liters of welding gas. A volume of 10 liters of welding gas at STP has a weight of 11.6 grams. A volume of 10 liters of welding gas at STP, it weighs 11.6 grams. Okay. Now first part, calculate. First part, empirical formula. Second part, molecular mass, molar mass means of 1 mole. And third part is molecular formula. Okay. Now see the solution. Now what first we are making use of mole concept. We know that gas contains only carbon and oxygen. And if I want, suppose, to find out the percentage of carbon, it means what we need is mass of carbon, no need to write the C, upon mass of compound of welding gas. This is what I need. In the empirical formula, whenever we have to calculate percentage, percentage of carbon means mass of carbon upon mass of welding gas. So we are not given the mass of carbon, we are not given the mass of welding gas. But what we are given is that 3.38 gram of carbon dioxide. So how can you calculate the mass of carbon in carbon dioxide? We have to calculate the mass of carbon in carbon dioxide. Pragya, can you tell me, Pragya or Rishabh? Pragya? Rishabh? Say yes, ma'am. Pragya, are you present? Let me check. Two students, they have again joined very late, after 15 minutes. Pragya, you are present. Rishabh, unmute yourself. Pragya, Rishabh. बेटा मेरे से पंगे मत लेना, मैं पेरेंट्स को बहुत जल्दी फोन करती हूँ. Okay, Sanket, Shashwat, unmute yourself. Shashwat Tiwari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shashwat, how to calculate the percentage? How to calculate the mass of carbon in 3.38 gram of carbon dioxide? Yes or no?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, we'll see the number of moles of carbon dioxide and then multiply it by 12.
Okay. Or I multiplied by 12. Okay. Can we make use of this one? If 41 mole. Okay, I am doing in a proper systematic way. 1 mole of carbon dioxide. What is the mass of 1 mole? 44 gram. It contains how many? Shashwat, aap hi bologe. 1 mole of carbon dioxide has how much mass of carbon? Shashwat?
And 12 gram.
12 grams. Okay. So if I am taking a 3.38 gram of carbon dioxide, what it will be? How much carbon is there?
12 into 3.2
12 upon 44.
into
See, I am taking 44 gram of carbon dioxide. It contains 12 gram of carbon. So 1 gram kitna hoga? 12 upon 44 to 3.38 means into 3.38 gram of carbon. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so find out the answer. Okay, 0.92 gram approximately. Okay, now Sanket, say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanket, how to calculate the amount of water of hydrogen in water?
मैम मैम हम ये कर सकते हैं कि मैम 18 ग्राम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन में मैम वाटर में 2 ग्राम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन होता है.
Yes.
देन मैम 0.69 में होगा 0.69 नहीं 2/18 into 0.69.
Yes. Okay. So it is coming out to be. Can anyone tell? Okay, let me tell. 0.0767 is gram. Okay. Of hydrogen. So what we have calculated is the mass of carbon, mass of hydrogen. So it means the welding gas contains this much carbon and this much of hydrogen. Okay. Next, Vanshika, what is the total mass of compound or total mass of welding gas? Vanshika.
yes, ma'am.
Vanshika, what is the total mass of welding gas?
Ma'am, carbon plus hydrogen.
Okay, what it will be? Okay, so this is my total mass of welding gas. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, fine,
Now,
ma'am.
what we have to calculate is the percent of carbon. Next student, Linoy, how to calculate the percent of carbon? Linoy, unmute yourself. Linoy. Beta, I have to check the attendance again and again. Okay, let me take the attendance first. In between, then I will be asking again. Just wait. Akansha present. Just tell me your attendance. Akansha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akansha present. Akansha, you think for how to calculate the percent of carbon? Arav Grewal. Arav Grewal absent. मैं सर्कल कर रही हूँ जो बच्चे मेरे को अटेंडेंस करते हुए क्लास में नहीं दिख रहे. अग्नीश.
Present, ma'am.
ऐश्वर्या.
Present, ma'am.
अक्षिता.
Present, ma'am.
अमन.
Present, ma'am.
अंशिका. Anshika is not there. Arumita.
Present, ma'am.
Aryan.
Present, ma'am.
Arav Grewal came now or no? Arav Grewal again. Bhagya. Ayush.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya.
Present, ma'am.
Daman.
Present, ma'am.
Devansh.
Present, ma'am.
Dishita.
Present, ma'am.
Galaxy.
Present, ma'am.
Drishan absent. Okay, Gautam.
Present, ma'am.
Jayant.
Present, ma'am.
एक new student Zazbia, she is absent. Kanak.
Present, ma'am.
Kanha Shrikant. I think he was present. Kunjal.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshay.
Present, ma'am.
Linoy absent है. Okay, Sahil. Sanket present. Shashwat present. Shivansh.
Present, ma'am.
Shreya.
Present, ma'am.
Siddhant Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Siddhant Jain.
Present, ma'am.
Vani, Vanshika, both are present.
Present,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now I have marked the attendance, so I know how. दो बच्चे attendance के वक्त नहीं थे. I don't know who were not there. Let me take afterwards. Okay. Now, Akansha, you were telling me how to calculate the percentage of carbon. Akansha, can you tell me how to calculate the percentage of carbon?
The formula of mass presentation is that the mass of the element, that is mass of carbon.
What is the mass of carbon here?
The mass of carbon here is 0.92.
What is the mass of welding gas total?
Ma'am, it's
0.996. So what is the answer coming out to be?
Ma'am, it will be into 100.
Into 100. Okay, what is the answer coming out to be? Just tell me the answer.
92.32.
तुमने कहीं से देखा है ये आंसर?
No, ma'am. I've solved it on page.
क्योंकि जो एनसीईआरटी में है वहाँ पे 0.921 और है, यहाँ पे भी हल्का सा फर्क है, तो इट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली 92.32. आकांक्षा, तो पता चलता है कि बदमाशी पर आते हो ना. बोलो एग्जैक्ट आंसर क्या कितना आ रहा है? Yes, who can tell me this calculation? Yes.
92.6.
92.6, okay, approximately. Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am, what is
I'm
92.6?
92.36.
92.3.
Okay. Now, what is the percent of hydrogen? Now, we know that compound contains only carbon and hydrogen. So, if we know the percent of carbon, what will be the percent of hydrogen?
7.74.
It means 100 minus 92.36, which is equal to 7.64.
6.
Okay. So, we have calculated the percent of carbon and hydrogen. Now, I am rubbing this part. I hope all of you must have noted. नहीं तो कर लो note. Okay, so what we have calculated is the percentage of carbon and hydrogen. Now we have to make a table for calculating the empirical form of carbon. Atomic mass is 12. And this is one. Then percentage of carbon is 92.36, 7.464. Arumita, can you tell me how to calculate the empirical formula? Arumita?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me number of moles of carbon, how to calculate?
Ma'am, we need to divide the atomic mass from the molar mass.
Okay, we have to divide the total mass with the atomic mass. And it comes out to be approximately 7.7. Okay. Next, similarly, it is 7.64 upon 1, which is almost again 7.64. So, what is the simplest ratio? What is the ratio? Whole number ratio. We are dividing it by smaller term, which is almost equal to 1. Is it okay? So, what is the empirical formula, Rumita? You only tell me. What is the empirical formula?
Ma'am, CH.
CH. Okay, now we have to calculate the molecular formula and the molecular mass. Now, what we know is that 10 liter of gas at STP. What is the weight? 11.6 gram. 10 liter of STP weigh 11.6 gram. Kanak, can you tell me, Kanak, how to calculate the molecular mass? At STP, 1 mole occupies 22.4 liters. Okay. STP, 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters. So 10 liters has a mass of 11.6 gram. So let's calculate for 22.4 liter of gas. So it will be 11.6 upon 10 into 22.4. So we have to calculate it, and it is coming out to be approximately 26 gram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it means the molecule, what is now N factor? Achha, what is the empirical mass?
13.
This one, 13. So empirical mass is 13 and the molecular mass is 26 grams. So this is the molecular mass. So N factor is molecular mass upon empirical mass, that is equal to 2. So what is the molecular formula? CH whole twice.
CH into N.
C2H2. And a number of students, they are not answering the questions. I have been noting it for a time now. So please start studying. So this was NCERT question number 1.34. Just note it down. Next, I am taking is question number 1.35. Again, NCERT back exercise. Okay. Now my question is, if we react calcium carbonate with HCl, we know the equation. Now what we are given is 25 ml of 0.5 molar HCl, and what we have to calculate is the mass of calcium carbonate required. According to mole concept, if I am taking 1 mole of calcium carbonate, it reacts with 2 moles of HCl. All of you know. What we know is that 1 mole of calcium carbonate, it combines with 2 moles of HCl. This we all know. So what we need is the number of moles of HCl, and what we are given is the molarity. Okay. Now what is molarity now of HCl? Means number of moles of HCl upon volume of HCl solution. Okay. Now Rishabh or like Shreya. Shreya, can you tell me how to calculate the number of moles of HCl? Shreya. Shreya, you were present? Say yes, ma'am. Shreya. Okay, again I am marking your name. एक दो दिन और wait करोगे, otherwise I will call your parents. Okay, Jayant. How to calculate the number of moles of HCl?
Ma'am, to calculate the moles of HCl, ma'am, first we'll like take the molecular mass of HCl and the molar mass of HCl. And we'll divide it.
See, just wait. We are given this much. What we are given is molarity. We are given the volume. Can you calculate the number of moles of HCl?
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am,
we can.
18.75.
1 minute. Jayant, only you will tell. No
Yes,
others will. How to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I am using this equation. See, मुझे मालूम है आप लोग बहुत स्मार्ट होते हो, फटाफट इंटरनेट से सॉल्यूशन निकलता है.
हम नहीं.
Don't want internet answer. मैंने इसीलिए हल्का सा चेंज कर दिया. Now, what is the number of molarity of HCl?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, we have molarity of HCl. So, molarity of HCl is, ma'am, number of moles of HCl upon volume of HCl in solution. So, ma'am, we have given 25 ml. Okay, ma'am. So, 25 ml of 0.7 HCl molarity of HCl means, ma'am, 25 of HCl in 100 ml of solution.
Can I make use of this formula? Molarity of HCl, number of moles of HCl upon volume of HCl. Now, molarity of
so it means 0.75 moles are there. 0.75 moles are there in 1 liter solution.
Okay. See, मैं आपको दूसरे वे में बता रही हूँ. I have taken molarity means number of moles upon volume. Molarity is 0.75. Number of moles of HCl we will be calculating. What is volume of HCl in liters? Simply tell me, Jayant, what is volume of HCl in liters? Jayant, what is the volume of HCl in liters? हमें कितना HCl given है? Daman, can you tell me? Daman? बेटा इसमें है क्या? Okay, who can tell me what is the volume of HCl?
0.0.
Ma'am, 0.025.
Means 25 upon 1000. 25 ml means 25 upon 1000, which is equal to 0.025 liters. जयंत इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम थी? तुम एक सेट मेथड से चल रहे हो. Now how to calculate the number of moles of HCl?
Molarity into volume.
0.75 into 0.025. This is the number of moles of HCl. Now just should I take it as 0.75 into 25 into 10 की power minus 3 into 2.5 into 10 की power minus 2. Now solve it. 25 1 the 1 5 the 125 12 25 into 7 is 175. So this will be 781. This will be the number of moles. Just check.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we know according to the mole concept, if I am taking, this is the equation. Now according to the equation, 2 moles of HCl combines with how many moles of calcium carbonate?
1 mole.
1 mole. हम मास भी ले सकते थे लेकिन मैंने इसको सीधा ले लिया. 2 moles of HCl combines with 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So if I am taking is 1.875 into 10 raised to power minus 2 moles of HCl. It will be combining with 1/2 into 1.874 into 10 raised to power minus 2 moles of calcium carbonate. Is it okay? Now solve this. It is 0.9375 into 10 raised to power minus 2 moles of calcium carbonate. Is it okay? Now what is the mass of calcium carbonate? 40 plus 12 plus oxygen 48, which is equal to 100 grams. So it means 0.9375 into 10 raised to power minus 2 into 100 gram of calcium carbonate. Is it okay? Yes or no? Any doubt you can ask? Or test में proper teams पे looking with the cameras on like you used to give your periodic, और questions ऐसे दूंगी कि आप नेट से तो आंसर ही नहीं निकाल पाओगे. Okay, so last question we are going to do is 1.36. Okay, Jayant, Arav Grewal. Arav Grewal, are you present? Arav Grewal? Yes or no? Okay, चलो बाद में बात करते. Jayant, Pragya, Rishabh, Shreya. These 4 names I have noted according to their poor response. बाकी भी अभी और हैं. Okay. Next question 1.36 says 4HCl plus MnO2 gives 2 water plus MnCl2 plus chlorine. 4HCl plus MnO2 gives 2 water plus MnCl2 plus chlorine. How many grams of HCl react with 5 grams of manganese dioxide? Given atomic mass of manganese is 55 pu.
Ma'am, your board is blurred.
Board is okay. Let 1 minute. Is it okay or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is my question. Now who can give me a hint of how to solve it? Siddhant Jain, can you tell me? Siddhant Jain. Say yes, ma'am. सिद्धांत
मैम मैं
नहीं ऐसे नहीं ना बेटा, मेरे को थोड़ा बच्चों का नॉलेज भी होनी चाहिए. ओके, गैलेक्सी. जिनका आंसर नहीं आ रहा ना, जो यस और नो कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे, उनका मैं नाम नोट कर रही हूँ.
यस मैम.
हाँ बोलो. गैलेक्सी, कैन यू टेल मी? गैलेक्सी और सिद्धांत.
I don't know.
यू डोंट नो.
Yes. Yes.
ओके, गौतम.
Yes, ma'am.
Gautam, can you tell me how to do this question? It's quite a easy.
Ma'am, you're asking me?
Yes. Can you tell me?
Ma'am, we can see that 4 moles of HCl reacts with 1 mole of MnO2 and products are formed respectively. So we can first write this.
I have written this. Now tell me.
Ma'am, molar mass of HCl is, ma'am, it is 36.45 into 4 and MnO2, ma'am, I don't know about Mn.
I have given it to you.
Ma'am, 55, then it would be, ma'am, 87.
Oxygen का 32. 87 gram of MnO2. Okay, then.
Ma'am, to find out 5 grams of MnO2 reacting with HCl, and we can divide 146 by 87 and multiply into 5.
Yes. See, what we know is that 87 gram of MnO2 reacts with 146 gram of HCl. So if I have to calculate for 5 gram of MnO2, 5 gram of MnO2 combines with 146 upon 87 into 5. Just solve it and the answer is coming out to be 8.4 gram. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just wait for a second. Again, 1 or 2 students के शायद name आरव ग्रेवाल तो गैब ही हो गया. ओके. अंशिका एब्सेंट थी. दृशन एब्सेंट है. जज्बी एब्सेंट है. कनक is absent. Kanak, you are present. You were not there at the time of attendance. Kanak.
I was.
पता नहीं बेटा, जब मैंने मार्क किया ना तब मैंने आपकी एब्सेंट लिख दी थी. चलो एनीवे, मैंने इसलिए दोबारा देख लिया. कोई बात.
I am present, Anshika.
Others are present. I have noted their presence. That's why I am cross-checking it again. Okay, now all of you can leave and please revise the chapter thoroughly. It's all over. Okay.
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 All of you can leave now.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Any doubt you can ask. That's not an issue.
Thank you, ma'am.